Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ali Hart and today, you're going to make a footballer. I have three boys who I got them to do my dancer video, I got them to do my superhero video, and I said to them, what more do you want me to do? And they said a footballer. So this is for you if you're into football. I am using charcoal and a page just so that you can see it. So we're going to do a line like we do with all my videos, down the middle. You do not need a ruler. We're going to do some shorts which go across and out almost like a triangle, and they come back on themselves, and that's our shorts. We're going to have one leg coming down here and the other leg is going to be bent at the knee and in. We're going to put a football bit on each foot, and football bits have studs. And we're going to put footballer socks, come up to the knee, and then you're going to do a t-shirt. So you're going to bring two lines down to meet the body, then you're going to put out just like a t-shirt that's floating on a hanger, and a round neck. And then we're going to this arm's just going to be down by their side. And this arm is going to have a football. So you need to bring this arm out and round to hold the football. And then we're going to give them a head. Add in your hair if you want. I think I'm going to do some spiky hair. You can add any football badge, stripes on the kit. I know that my boys will be doing their kit, so why don't you put your favorite kit on your footballer? You can put their hands. So there you go. That is your footballer. I would love you to decorate it the way that you want to decorate it. Why don't we just recap? This doesn't take very long to do, but you can add stickers. I had a workshop at the weekend. We added stickers, we added little dots. You can use paint on it. Some people cut theirs out and had their superheroes flying. Remember, you can find me on social media, Ali Hart, and I would love to see you back here again. Just remember to subscribe for all my videos.